In this video, I'd like to offer you a preview of the Creating Insights with Insight Maker course from Systems Thinking World. This course is intended to be everything that anyone would ever want or care to know about Insight Maker. It's currently 64 lectures and 5.5 hours of video, though it's expected to take the next 3 or 4 months to actually complete the course, simply because of what it is that we want to cover in terms of how to go about doing things in Insight Maker. So that rather than simply talk about here are all of the features and functions, the intent is to actually provide examples of here's something that you might want to get done and here's how you go about doing it. And in the process of doing something, various aspects of the course are various aspects of Insight Maker and how to use them are presented. And it starts off in a very simple fashion, teaching or covering the various aspects of the Insight Maker environment itself, to developing the first relationship model, which is extremely trivial, and evolving that into more sophisticated relationship models, and then teaching about the storytelling mode within Insight Maker, where you can actually unfold a model to someone to tell them a story so that it's much easier for them to understand what the insight is that surfaces from the relationships presented in the model, to a description of causal loop diagrams and how to develop them, and the reason that causal loop diagrams contain more information than just relationship maps, on to developing simulation models where the relationships between the elements of the model actually have equations associated with them so that you can do simulations of the model itself to understand the future implications of those relationships. And you can also build those a simulation model into a story so that it essentially presents a set of scenarios, so that here's a baseline, and then it talks about different aspects of the model, and here's the output with a certain set of parameters and a different set of parameters and another set of parameters. And the intent is to also go ahead within the next couple of months to include agent-based modeling, so that rather than simple relationship dynamics, the model can go ahead and present the implications of state changes with regard to agents within the model. This is a foraging model where the individual elements are running around looking for patches of food to consume, and then the food regenerates over time. So that's sort of quick overview of what's contained in this course. As I said, the course is not finished. It's expected to continue to evolve for the next 4 or 6 months. You can find discounted access to this course at systemswiki.org. The current price is $17, simply because it's an evolving work in progress. The price is expected to increase periodically as the content evolves and gets closer and closer to being finished. So look forward to interactions with you in the course if this is something that you're interested in. Bye.